Hi! Well, in this lecture we're going to add an interesting part to the code. We're going to create a box with the same length and width as the overall grid's boundary, and decide its height to subtract our created geometry from. We'll first use the bounding box component and connect it to the cell's output of our rectangular grid. This will give us the boundary of each cell. So in order to get the total cell's boundary, we'll need to add the solid union component. Now we will create a box, and we will need to specify its location and size. We will add move component and connect Z vector and a slider to it to be able to control the box's movement in the Z direction. But we will also need to specify the center of the box by finding the center of the solid union component. We'll do that by adding the area component and then connecting it to the solid union. The centroid output is then connected to the geometry input in the move component. I will take the exact grid boundary to create the length and width of the box. We'll add a multiplication component to multiply the size of the grid cell by the number of cells. Then I divide it by 2. And for the height, we will connect it to a slider to be able to control the height of our box. Now we have the large box, which we are going to subtract our geometry from. And to do that, finally we will add the solid difference component, which we can bake into Rhino by right-click, Bake, choose Layer, and click OK. And that's the end of our first code, Random Geometrical Transformation. Now you will need to get familiar a bit with the code by doing the coming exercise.